Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious, easy nachos salsa right at home. Forget store-bought versions. Crafting your own fresh salsa is incredibly simple and tastes so much better. We'll go through gathering fresh ingredients, preparing them with ease, and combining everything for a vibrant, flavorful dip. Get ready to impress your friends and family with this homemade treat that takes just minutes to prepare. To create the perfect nachos salsa, you'll need a few key ingredients. Start with 2 large, ripe tomatoes for that essential juicy base. 1 medium white onion will add a lovely crunch and a bit of sharpness. Don't forget a generous half cup of fresh cilantro, finely chopped, for its bright, herbaceous notes. For a gentle kick, 1 de-seeded jalapeno is ideal. Finally, the juice of 1 lime, a half teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper will tie all the flavors together beautifully. Now, let's get to the simple preparation. First, finely dice your 2 ripe tomatoes and 1 medium onion into small, uniform pieces. Next, mince your half cup of fresh cilantro and the de-seeded jalapeno. Combine all these freshly prepared ingredients in a medium-sized mixing bowl. Squeeze the juice from 1 whole lime over the mixture, then add a half teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Gently stir everything together until it's perfectly combined and ready to enjoy. Once your salsa is mixed, let it chill in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This resting period allows all those wonderful flavors to meld and deepen, creating a truly harmonious taste. Serve your vibrant, homemade salsa with your favorite crispy tortilla chips, or use it as a delicious topping for tacos, burritos, or grilled meats. For a spicier kick, you can always leave some seeds in the jalapeno. Store any leftovers in an airtight container for up to 3 to 5 days.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.